Replacing a door in your Dallas home may seem like a simple DIY project, but there are several factors to consider before deciding whether to take it on yourself or hire a professional. While replacing a door can be an affordable and rewarding project, doing it incorrectly can result in damage to your home, higher energy bills, and even safety issues. In this article, we will explore the pros and cons of DIY versus professional door replacement in Dallas, helping you make the right decision based on your needs, budget, and skill level. DIY door replacement. Pros. Cost savings. One of the most appealing reasons to attempt a DIY door replacement is the potential to save money. When you handle the installation yourself, you eliminate the labor costs associated with hiring a professional. The only costs you need to account for are the door itself, tools, and any materials you may need to purchase. For homeowners on a budget, DIY projects can be an excellent way to cut costs and still improve the look and functionality of your home. Personal satisfaction and control. There's a unique sense of satisfaction that comes from completing a home improvement project yourself. DIY door replacement allows you to take control of the entire process, from selecting the perfect door to installing it yourself. If you enjoy hands-on work, taking on the project can be a rewarding experience. It's also a great opportunity to personalize your door and choose exactly what style and material you want for your home. Flexibility. DIY door replacement offers flexibility in terms of timing. You can work on the project at your own pace, taking breaks when needed, and avoiding the hassle of scheduling with a professional. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners with busy schedules who may not want to wait for a contractor's availability. DIY door replacement. Con. Lack of experience. Unless you are an experienced DIYer with knowledge of door installation, replacing a door can be more complicated than it appears. Proper door installation involves ensuring the frame is square, the door is properly aligned, and the hardware is installed correctly. Mistakes can lead to doors that don't fit properly, drafty spaces, or poor security. Incorrect installation can also void any warranties on the door itself. Time-consuming. Replacing a door isn't a quick and easy task. It involves taking out the old door, measuring, ensuring the frame is properly prepped, and installing the new door correctly. For someone without experience, the process can take much longer than expected. This could be a major inconvenience, especially if you need to use the door during the project. Potential for mistakes. Even experienced DIYers can make mistakes during installation. One common error is misjudging the measurements, which could lead to a door that doesn't fit properly in the frame. Other mistakes, like incorrect door hardware installation or failing to properly insulate the door, can result in higher energy costs, reduced security, or even damage to your property. Professional door replacement. Pros. Expert installation. One of the primary advantages of hiring a professional to replace your door is their expertise and experience. Professional installers have the skills and knowledge to ensure the door is installed correctly, making sure it fits properly, operates smoothly, and is aligned perfectly. They also understand the technical aspects of door installation, such as insulation, weatherproofing, and hardware installation, ensuring that your door performs optimally. time efficiency, professional door replacement companies are trained to get the job done efficiently. They have the tools, experience, and manpower to complete the installation quickly and correctly. Instead of spending hours or even days figuring out how to install your new door, professionals can handle the entire process in a fraction of the time. Warranty and peace of mind. Most professional door replacement services come with warranties on both the label and materials. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if something goes wrong with the installation, you can rely on the company to make repairs or replacements at no additional cost. This level of assurance is not something you'll get with a DIY project, where mistakes can be costly to fix. Enhanced security and functionality. The professional installer can ensure that your new door functions at its best, offering maximum security, insulation, and durability. Whether you are replacing an exterior door, an interior door, or a specialty door, like a sliding glass door, a professional will ensure that all components are properly installed to improve your home's security and comfort. Professional door replacement. Higher cost. Hiring a professional to replace your door comes with additional labor costs. While you may save money on materials by choosing the right door, you will need to budget for the installation services. The cost will vary depending on the complexity of the job, the type of door, and the company you hire, but it's important to factor this into your decision. Scheduling and coordination. One downside of professional installation is that you will need to coordinate with the installer's schedule, which could be inconvenient if you are on a tight timeline. Depending on the company's availability, you may need to wait for the installation to be scheduled, which can delay the project. Limited control over the process. When hiring a professional, you may feel like you have less control over the specifics of the installation. While you can choose your door and discuss your preferences, the professional will handle the actual installation. Some homeowners prefer to have complete control over the process, which is more achievable with a DIY project. Which option is right for you? The choice between DIY and professional door replacement depends on your skills, budget, and priorities. If you are an experienced DIYer and feel confident in your ability to install a door correctly, the DIY route may be an affordable and rewarding option. However, if you value expert installation, time efficiency, and the security of a warranty, hiring a professional may be the better choice. For Dallas homeowners, where weather conditions can put extra strain on doors, professional door replacement ensures that your home remains secure, energy efficient, and comfortable. Regardless of the route you choose, replacing your door is a worthwhile investment that will enhance